Welcome to Biomindscape. Today we are going to know about the protein. Protein are a molecular machine of life and from enzyme that catalyze the reaction to antibodies that fight infection. Every function of a cell depend on a protein. But how does this protein works? So the answer lies in the structure. So let's explore the four level of protein structure: the primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So the primary structure of the protein is the first level of protein, where it is a simple linear sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide chain. These amino acids are linked by the polypeptide bond. They are formed by the dehydration reaction between the amino group of one amino acid and a carboxylic group of the next. This sequence is genetically determined by the DNA. Even a single change in an amino acid sequence can drastically change the protein function, for example in sickle cell anemia. Then secondary structure is a local folding. Next comes the secondary structure, which refer to the regular repeating folding pattern within the segment of a polypeptide chain. The two most common types are alpha and beta plated sheet. So alpha helix is a right-handed coiling stabilized by the hydrogen bond between every fourth amino acid. And beta plated sheet is formed when a segment of a polypeptide lie side by side and form the hydrogen bond, and these structures are stabilized by hydrogen bond between the backbone atom and not the side chain. Then there is a tertiary structure which represents the overall 3D folding of a single polypeptide chain, which result from interaction among the R group, that is a side chain of an amino acid, and these interactions include ionic bond, hydrogen bond, disulfide bridges and hydrophobic interaction. This level of structure is critical for protein function. For example, the active site of an enzyme is formed only after proper folding. Then quaternary structure is a multiple chain together forming this structure. Some protein are made of more than one polypeptide chain, and this is the quaternary structure, which describe how these subunits are arranged and interacting with each other. So each subunit has its own tertiary structure, and together they form a functional protein complex. For example, we can see that hemoglobin, it is made up of 4 subunits, 2 alpha and 2 beta chain, and this precise arrangement is essential for the oxygen transport. So the four levels of protein structure are primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary, which build up one another, and a small change at the primary level can disrupt the entire protein structure, leading to disease and dysfunction. So thus the correct folding and structure of the protein is essential for life. Protein can be denatured by heat, pH and chemical, losing their shape and function, but the primary structure often remain intact. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.